All right, go ahead. We're live.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, folks. How are you all doing this morning? I can't see my screen on there. Let me one see. Okay, good morning, Tyler. Good morning, Pistol. Good morning, Jennifer. Good to see you guys. Looks like we have about 182 people listening, it says. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And what we're going to cover today is video marketing and how it leads us to our Facebook formula. So basically, first thing we want to do is when we are, in order to get our Facebook formula started and going and really effective, and also getting leads to our business for our Facebook formula, what we do is we find popular products, popular launches that are about to take place, and we create videos on them. So what we do, the first thing we do is we go to jvnotifypro.com, and if you go to this page and you scroll down, you will see where they have different product launches coming up. So here's a list right here, and we've already passed June, so we'll go down to like the end of July. So going here. Okay, so down today is July, what, the 31st, I believe. So we have this product coming up, this product, Patrick Chan. So we have different products that are coming up. If you wanted every day, you could go create a video on each one of these products, okay? Why would you want to do that? The reason you would want to do that is because when a person is looking to promote this product, or maybe you're like many of us who will receive different emails in our box and say, hey, go check out this program. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to Google and you're going to actually do a search on that particular product. You're going to type it in there, right? So the particular product that I did a video on this morning was the one that's called, and I should have showed it to you, but it's this Patrick Chan CB Passive Income License Program. So if you receive this in an email, or if you were a JV partner, first thing you're going to do is kind of go over here to Google, if my computer would move fast enough, and you're going to type in CB Passive Income. And my computer is moving a little bit slow, so let me go back over here to it. But that's what you would do. And then once you did that, what's going to happen is all the people who have either a review, because you're looking for a review, you're looking for what are other people saying about this product. So once you go over there, you're going to be looking, okay, my Google's up now. So let's type it in here and see what happens. So CB Passive Income License. This is a little slow computer here today. Um, Program review. It's kind of a long name, but pretty much that's probably how it'll be typed in different ways, but this is just one way that it's typed in. And wow, and I don't know, I think my Google settings or my uh, video settings are turned off. So I'm just gonna go to video over here, and what you see is the different people who have created um, videos for this particular program. So you look down the list, there's quite a few people who have created videos for this product. So your goal is to, one, create a video before everyone else does, and two, we're going to show you how you can syndicate that, get backlinks to it, so that you can be up here, number one, number two, number three, in this area. So here is the video that I created this morning. It's called, what I did was I actually took the product and I broke it down. One of the things that they do in this product after I did a review was they give away a free report. So I just went and did a video on them giving a free report away. Okay, so I just wrote down CD, and I didn't add the rest of it to, but let me add it here. License program. free, and I didn't add it because my YouTube will only allow you to upload 25 characters at a time. So I just add that there, and then over here in my pad, I have an actual the title of it right here, City Passive License Program, and then I just put it in here again. It's something about when you have this in here twice, then I put free for it, and it makes it even more powerful on YouTube. So I did that, right? And the link is up here. I just copied that link from share, grab the link, copy it, and then you just paste it in your notepad so that you can have it later on, because you're going to want to have your link later on. Okay, so you did that. So this is JV Notify. So you just want to come through here and make a video every day. And what's going to happen is people are going to come to that video. They're going to watch your review, what you have to say about it, and your views are going to go up on YouTube. And not only will your views go up, but you know, if you have your link in here, this one I haven't put the link in it yet, but if you put your link in here, they're going to either go to your Facebook page or your lead capture page, wherever you have them go. But we're going to do that in a minute. Just wanted to kind of show you what we're going to be doing here. And this is a lot of times when you do a review, they will give you like an idea of what the product is going to be about. So this is like one of his actual, not the actual page, but he kind of gives you an idea of what it's about. And then here somewhere he gave you a link to go check out the sales page. Okay, so that's how you do. You know, a lot of people will say, you know, I don't have enough information, but they actually give you information about the product so you can kind of go check it out, read about it, and then just do a 30-second to 2 or 3 minute review on the product. Close that one out. And so after we get this link, what we need, first thing we need to do is take it and ping it so that, and you know, if you have Empower Network, you have a blog, of course you want to put it on your blog, but right now we're just going to show you how you can actually get it over to the Facebook formula and how you can get people to add you, add themselves to your Facebook page so we can do the formula that we normally do. So you go to Pingler and you put the, I already have the URL copied, so I'm going to put it here. Okay, go back up here to my notepad. I'm going to grab the title, copy it, put the title up here, copy that there. And then I'm going to look down in categories, internet, online, marketing, and one more. You get 3 choices with Pingler. There are other pinging services, but I've always used Pingler, so I think Todd uses Pingomatic. They're different ones. You only need to use one. Let's see, where is that? Website. I'll just say website tools because it's a tool kind of. Okay, and then down here you have to go put your captcha in. And they've really changed this captcha. It's funny how they put this in here. And then just hit ping. And as long as I typed it in right, then I should have, basically this will notify Google that I just created either a video or a blog post. And it will begin the process of the algorithm coming to that particular video and just kind of seeing, okay, is this product really about what people are typing in? So that's where keyword research comes into place. And I didn't talk about keyword research, but again, when you are doing a review on a product, you always want to use the product name as one of the keywords and familiar words that are familiar to it or similar to it, should say. Okay, it says human verification failed. So which means I need to go back and put the caption again. Okay. Maybe this one would be nice to me, right? So far, while I'm waiting, let me see if I have any questions over here. Anybody have any questions so far? Any questions so far? Everybody follow me okay? Can you guys hear me?
Hey Rachel, remember I told you there's a delay on the video. So when you ask a question, it's going to be about 30 to 40 seconds before they hear it.
Okay. Okay, great. Everybody says they can hear me. Good, good, good. Thank you. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Shantae. Okay, so right now, this is pinging. I'm not going to wait for the ping. I'm just going to keep going because it keeps saying human verification failed, and I don't know why because I'm typing it in the way it says it should be. But basically, you want that to happen so that Google can know that you just put this video up and they can start sending the algorithm through to look at that video and to see if it's truly about whatever keyword you're trying to target for. Okay? So once you get that, you want to go to now, you want to go and build your backlinks. Okay? I use Social Monkey to build backlinks with. And basically, I mean, there's other programs. I think there's Social Ad or Social Poster. I can't remember the one that Toddy. Social. I don't know. There's quite a few of them. You can just pick your choice. I like Social Adder because I can just do one click and it's done. Um, Originally, you get like 25 backlinks, which is not that many, but it's better than none. And then I also just recently added have a $47 program where you can actually get 100 backlinks as opposed to 25, and you can post 3 times a day. So where originally all you could do was post your maybe your video or your blog post, now I can actually get backlinks to both, and I can get 100 backlinks. So this is a nice one to use right here. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab my URL. I think I already have it in here. So nope, I don't. That's the title I have in here. So I'll put the title down here. Then I'll go up here and I'll grab the URL. And so this Social Monkey is going to build backlinks to my website, I mean to my video. And the more backlinks you have, the more authority you have in Google. So you want to make sure you have backlinks on everything that you create online. No backlinks, and you're going to more than likely be on like the 12th or 15th page of Google. So it's really, really important that you make sure you get the backlinks. And if you do the paid version, you're going to get more like Todd teaches as far as going over to Fiverr.com. We'll talk about that in a minute. So let me go grab a description. I have a description over here. See, free report license right there. So I'll just grab that. And with Social Monkey, I may need a little bit more details. Sometimes they have a certain amount of words they want you to put in here. Let's see if I can get away with that. And then I'll go up here and grab some of my tags. You just grab your tags. You just go down the list and put your tags in. And you want to make sure you have your tags because what tags do is, say a person, they come here and they don't type the full name. They type like uh, CB Passive Income License Program, or they only type in passive income, CB Passive Income. So if you put it in here different ways, then it's going to allow you to, regardless of how a person searches for it, it's going to come up. And for whatever reason, copy and paste doesn't want to work. See, it knows the first time doing this, so giving y'all kind of problems. Okay, so what I did here for this one right here, passive income streams, passive CB passive income streams. Because sometimes people will type in passive income streams but not CB, but it'll still come up. So that's just a few. I'm not going to do all of them, but you have up to 8 different tags you can put inside of this particular area and tag it. And then you just, and it'll say, it's going to drip these over a period of 9 days. Why 9 days and not all at once? And that's because, Google notices like, any type of software program that just dumps, backlinks all at one time, that's a negative in Google's eyes. So you want it to be something that's actually happening at a slow rate and it looks natural. You want what you're doing to look natural. So Social Monkey has that set up that way. And, do not use dashes. Oh, forgot about my dash up here. All right, let me get rid of the dash, which means I don't really need that twice. And it shows how it's going to look. Submit to 100 sites. So it's going to submit backlinks. So I have 100 backlinks coming to the site. And one that I recently found, I know a lot of people, say, well, if I go to Fiverr, I'm going to have to spend $5 a day in order to actually, get backlinks and that many. So there's a program that I just signed up for, and it's called Social Adder. I signed up for it last night because I just heard about it. And it gives you a lot of social backlinks, like from social sites. You can do reviews. You can do, you can do automatic. It does automatic pinging. It does a lot of different things for you. And then all you have to do is hit, once you get ready to do it, you hit add bookmark. And I think like they have like different programs. There's like the free version, which no, it's not a free. They give you like a trial, like $1. If you don't sign up, like when you go to the site socialadder.com, if you don't sign up right away and you like ignore it, it gives you the next day it'll pick your email and it say, hey, you must have missed it, and they'll give you $1 trial. So that's what I did. I took the $1 trial, see if I really like, if I really want to spend $40 a month on it, but it beats paying $5 a day, and I think you get like 1,600 backlinks. It's quite a bit for something of that nature. So you just do the same thing. You go up here and you grab your link, copy it from your notepad, you hit paste, grab title, you paste, and then you grab your description again. And I have all this in my description. I don't know if I should put my social media there, but it's there. I have Facebook, add me on Facebook. Okay, and then you put your tags here. And one way to avoid having to sit there and put one tag in at a time is if you have commas in your tags. Like, so you have, after this tag, there's a comma, there's another comma. So you just make sure you have commas on your, after your tags. And that way they'll split them up for you. Category, you can just pick, let me see, like I just picked internet and telecom when I did the one yesterday. And submission rate, you want to drip slow, normal, fast. Say normal. Remember, we don't want things to be too fast because that sends a red flag to Google. You can also do microblogging here, like if you have like Twitter, different things like that, you can use these here. I didn't really get a chance to play with these, but you can put this information here and spin it, or you can disallow microblogging of this bookmark. I'm going to hit disallow for now. But come in, if you do decide to get this program, come and play with it, and you'll see. I hit spin review, so it spins my review. It says it looks good. Spin review on that one. It says it looks good. So now I can just go down and I can hit save. I've already spent it, so I'm not going to worry about that. It gives an error, and I don't know why. So now, as you can see, it now has submitted. Now, what will happen is, because this actually operates by real people, they'll actually come in and start submitting for you. Like this one I did last night, I got 45 submissions already. 45 real people came in and they shared my video. So I think I had like 38 views from that video this morning. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Anybody have any questions so far? Okay, I'm gonna keep moving. If you have any questions, make sure you chat it over, send it over here in the chat box at the bottom of the video, and I'll be sure to answer those questions. Okay, Shantae said, "What is it?" Shantae, what do you mean? I'm sorry. What is it that you're wanting to know? Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat box, and I will come back and answer your questions for you. Okay. So now, so we have it here. Now, what happens is we're going to go back to our video, right? Because I think I missed this part, but it's okay. So this is the video that I uploaded this morning, and I'm going to go to edit, because right now all I have in here is the title. So let me go here to my YouTube video. Awesome, Devon. I'm glad you found it. But if you wait until wait until the morning or your email comes in, you can get it for $1 trial. It's called Social Adder, Shantae. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go over here and I'll try to shut my phone off because I'm not multitasking very well. Okay, here we go. Go back over here to the title that's in there, and I didn't put a description in yet. And typically, what Todd teaches us is to put in a description. But what I had to do was add this program called. I ended up using. I did have Camtasia, but Camtasia was not working for me for whatever reason. It was not uploading my videos, and it was slowing me up for my progress. So I went over to this program called Screencast-O-Matic, and there's like there's a program called Screencast-O-Matic. So what you can do with Screencast-O-Matic is you can use the free version, or you can use the paid version. The paid version is $15 a year, and I chose the paid version. Why? Because when you upload your videos in HD, because it has an HD portion, you actually get an opportunity to rank your videos faster. But it's not necessary, but I'm trying to get everything I can as far as ranking is concerned. And plus there's some other benefits, but free is fine. You can do more time also with the one for $15 a year. So if you have the $15, then use it. If not, don't worry about it, because the purpose is just getting your video up. And as you can see, it's recording my screen, or prepared to record my screen, and you just take and hit record over here, and then it'll start recording whatever you wanted to say, and then it'll upload it directly to YouTube. But it will only allow you to upload so many characters, so that's why I wasn't able to upload my description inside of there. So I just want to show that to you. We'll close that out. So Screencast-O-Matic, if you don't have another type of screen sharing program, you can use this, and it actually allows you to do just like Camtasia, because you can put, like, you know how with Camtasia you have a little side video, or you can have your picture over here. Well, you can do the same thing with this program, and that's what I was looking for. So that's a pretty cool tool there. And I don't want this. Let me get rid of it. Done, and it's still. Let me see if I can close out this way. Close. Okay, so now all we do is grab my description. And as you can see in my video, one of the things that I said was I gave a review on the product. And after I gave a review on the product, I basically said to them, add me on Facebook. This particular program right now does not have they don't have the affiliate program for it yet, the link. I thought it was a pretty cool program, so I gave it a thumbs up. But you want to make sure when you do your description, you have the same exact name here inside, so that as Google is sending its algorithm through, it sees, okay, this is consistent, the name is here. So it's in the title, it's in the description. And if you have time, you can write a lot of words. I found that people that write more of a description get better results, but it's not necessary. I wouldn't spend my time all day trying to do that if you don't have the time. Just, if you're trying to get that extra nugget, then it's a good thing. Okay, so, and then again, let me get rid of these tags. Remember, if we could have uploaded those tags before, it would have started the process of getting your video ranked a lot faster. So, and I think, I don't know, I may have just skipped it because I was trying to rush this morning. So here are my tags. I have my comments in them. Copy. And if you see, if you notice, if I paste them all in here, it separates all of the different tags. Okay, I put my name in here, Rachel Kelly, because sometimes people search for Rachel Kelly and they can see what I'm doing. I put the program, the person that created the program, put his name in here, because sometimes they search for that. So, and then you just hit save. Oh, I forgot about, make sure you put your category over here and make sure it's public. Save changes. Okay. While we're waiting for it to save, I wanted to bring something to your attention. So up here, like a person watch a video, now you tell them to come find you on Facebook. So now what they'll do is they'll go to this link right here where you have put your Facebook page, and they'll come over to Facebook and they'll connect with you over here. Wayne, yeah, I know. I actually didn't even grab a affiliate link for that. I think it's a cool program. Pistol, this is completely new. Yeah, over here at IMBiz, we give some really, really good quality. Most people don't know about it, and that's why we try to encourage people to come and hang out with us. I mean, this is just just a nutshell of the value that we provide over here at IMBiz. So definitely, we love being here and helping one another. So I'm glad you're enjoying the training. Okay, so now a person has came over to your Facebook page. They've requested you as a friend. I actually have some friend requests that I need to go through and confirm. And then, so what happens is over on your page, one of the things that you want to do, because what I'm leading up to is, okay, this is how we're generating free leads. This is one way of generating free leads. So a person comes over to your page, and now they're just scrolling down here to see, you know, if you add value or not, or if you're really spammy. They're just kind of checking you out. They go into your about button. They just want to know about you. Okay. So on your page, you want to make sure you're always providing value. And it can be in several ways. It can be entertainment, education. It can be enlightening or encouraging. Those are like the 4 E's. So when you are posting on your wall, those are the things that you want to post. You want to stay away from negative posts because people that are wanting to do something in business or do business with you, they're not attracted to negativity. So you definitely want to make sure you're staying away from negative things. Okay. So now we're going to go over to we have our own group, I Am Biz, and what we have here is I just love this group. So what happens is once you join our group, and this is why people are getting results in I Am Biz, is because we are a community. We come together, we support one another, we encourage one another, we actually help share each other's content, and when we do that, it allows us to get more attention. So like, for example, okay, and I'll show you right here. This morning, I just put down, so excited about class, right? But I didn't tag anyone. And what I should have done is I should have tagged people in the group, and I would have gotten more. Hey, Rachel, we're looking forward to being there. We're looking forward to this. You know, the excitement would have been there. Let me see if I can scroll down so I can show you an example of our team coming together. Okay, here's Linnea. She has she says just got one of the most powerful hangouts with, and then she just put everyone's name here, right? Well, do you see how she ended up getting all these comments? It's because we're all in the group. And what are people attracted to when they come to your Facebook wall? They're attracted to where there's activity. It makes people, you go to a post and you start reading everything, and it's like, wow, this is cool, this is cool. So this is what we do for one another. So that's another benefit of being a part of I Am Biz, is that we come together as a community and we help build one another up and help syndicate each other's content. So you go back over here, right? And we have actually in our group it's called, let me find it. It's called results. Share and swipe results here. So once we get results, we actually take those results. So let's say, for example, you're brand new in iMbiz, you're not getting that many results, or you haven't gotten anything. Over here, and we have all these people that are getting results. You can use any one of these, and you can say, hey, this is what our team is getting, inbox me for more details. And what happens is now people are actually coming into your inbox and they're saying, hey, tell me more about this I Am Biz, tell me more about this training, tell me more about how you're doing that. So as you can see, so what we do is, again, we take our results and we share them here. And that's how part of, not all of it, I still have some more nuggets, but that's primarily how we're able to be able to get people to our page, to our business. And that's part of our little secret Facebook formula. There's some more details to it, but those are some of the nuggets that I wanted to share with you this morning. Does anyone have questions so far? Diane, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Any other questions about what I just covered this morning? Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Jen. Yes, Wayne, they have the free version also. Yeah, Keisha, yeah, the social adder is nice. I like that. Then you don't have to worry about spending the $5 every day. And then let me just show you one other thing before. This is Fiverr. Show you one thing. Fiverr is really nice because you can get more than 1,600. More than 1,600 backlinks. And they just changed their platform, so For those of you who are used to the old platform, it's still here somewhere. But I'm just going to go over here to the search box and I'm going to type in. Let me go here first. Doesn't really matter. Nah, I go to backlinks because they changed it, and I was like, oh no. Type in backlinks. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, Eric. Arinda. Okay, so we're here in Fiverr, right? And what you want to do is, okay, so these are the different places that have backlinks, high rating backlinks. Okay, so you want to always click high rating because there are some people who will post a job on Fiverr and they, maybe they won't perform or maybe their job is not as good as they say. So right here, you'll get the reviews from other people who have used their services with the different stars here. And what you're looking for is ones that have high backlinks. Like, I tried this one, but this has a lot to do with blog commenting. I wasn't really sure about it because once the provider sent me the information, it's something about blog comments. So looking for the one that, if you're in the Empower Network team, I know we did talk a lot about link wheels. And there is another one. So there's 1,500 do follow blog comments. Here's one for 1,000 SEO backlinks. I'm looking for the one that Todd uses. I don't see it. I think they're like 7,000 backlinks. So but basically, what I'm just saying is you want backlinks. So the more backlinks you have, the higher your information is going to rank on Google. And then if you have the combination of being a part of our IMBiz group, what we do is we actually go in and share all that information for you. Comments. And I wanted to say thank you to Diane because yesterday she came in and commented on one of my videos, and that really helped my ranking as well. So we do that for one another. That's another benefit of being a part of IMBiz. So I'm going to encourage you, if you don't have a community or if you're feeling like you're all alone in this, there's a link at the bottom of the comment section, right, button where you can join us. And then if you have any other questions once you get inside of the program, we will be able to help you. We're very helpful in our group. We're always there for you 24 hours a day. There's somebody awake. I mean, I think some of us never go to bed. And actually, the add to cart button is actually under the video right now. So I'm going to encourage you to come on and join us. Come and be a part of this community. Come and come and be a part of a family. I've been online for about 5 years now, and it wasn't until I found IMBiz that I found that community feeling. I found that place where I actually can be used, because that's one of the things that you don't want to do is you don't want to be here alone. You don't want to be by yourself when you're out here because it's a lonely place. It's no fun trying to build a business online by yourself. And yes, you may have been recruited by one of the big guys who really they can't really get to you. And what we do is here we keep it personable. We help you to be able to generate leads, how to generate sales, and to become that marketer that you decide to be. So yeah, go ahead and click the add to cart button. Come join us. If you are not ready right now, make sure you get back with the person who invited you and ask them, hey, how do I become a part of this IMBiz? Okay, so Devon just said that the Fiverr link in the back office of IMBiz training, once purchased, you'll be able to have that link. So it's actually in the back office of the one that we use with all of the links. Even though Rachel couldn't find it, it's back there. It's one of our little hidden nuggets. Okay, so are there any other questions? I'm going to sit here for a minute because I know there's a lag time. I know that there is, it doesn't show up right away. Something else you want me to cover that maybe I missed, but I tried to make sure I got it all. But again, I just want to encourage you to come on and join us and be a part of our family. as we go change the world together, as we help one another, so we can see one another at the top. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Like Jennifer said, it's a lonely world without support. She loves this team. That makes two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10 of us. So, folks, if there's nothing else, um, I'm going to end this webinar. I know it's kind of early. It's 9:45. Unless anyone has any questions. And what we'll do is we'll see you in the group at hit add cart and come on and join us. And as soon as you join with the add to cart button, what we'll do is we'll make sure you join our Facebook group. There's a link inside of the back office, and we'll welcome you in and help you get started on your journey to success.